Vlogging. What is vlogging? Today in Zachary High Tech Talk, we are going to talk about vlogging. Hello, this is Zachary from Zachary High Tech YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about vlogging and what the difference is between vlogging and other YouTube content, because not all content on YouTube is a vlog or vlogging. Vlogging started not with me, of course not with me, because hey, it's 2019 and I'm not vlogging. My content is not vlogging, but how-tos and unboxing and reviewing. Zachary High Tech Talk is also one of my YouTube content on YouTube. Horizon Zero Dawn and Cartoon is also not a vlog. But the question, what is vlogging? I can tell you when it started. It started in 2002 as an experimental thing from the New York Times. Vlogging is a video log from somebody or a group that is recording something and then share it with the world on a website. That's how it started. In 2004, fall 2004, The Guardian used the term vlogging. 2005, one of the co-founders of YouTube made the first vlog on YouTube. Me at the zoo. Yes. So this guy took a video camera with him and recorded his thing at the zoo park. Something very simple. And it doesn't have to be so difficult, because making YouTube content is fun. You can do a lot of things. You can learn from YouTube by just pressing the record button, edit the video, and then post it on YouTube. So this co-founder of YouTube made his vlog at the zoo. But also Nike saw some nice way to make adverts. During this video of me at the zoo, Nike showed his first advertisement on YouTube. So YouTube and advertisements were one big platform. So nowadays you see a lot of advertisements on YouTube. My YouTube channel, at this moment is not sponsored or no adverts at all, as you can see. So people are creating content every day on YouTube, which is good because many people can learn from the how-tos. Watch unboxing and reviewing. If you want to buy a new television, you check on internet, on YouTube, and you see, hey, what's the review about it? What do I get when I unbox the box? When I unload the box? So many things you can check on internet, but also people are buying boxes, returns, they unbox it, and people are watching this kind of content. No vlogs, content on YouTube. You also have documentaries, but you also have, like I have, Horizon Zero Dawn and cartoons, series, and also movies. But also movie stars and famous other people sharing their life besides the thing that they are famous for on YouTube. Creating content is great. It can be a vlog, but it can also be something else. That being said, vlogging is a way that you can do with posting videos. but you can also do a lot of other things. So that being said, YouTube is a great platform to share your life with the world, but also how-tos, documentaries and many other things. Me, on my YouTube channel, Zachary High Tech YouTube channel, you see cartoons of gameplays, you see unboxing and reviewing, you see also the how-tos and the Zachary High Tech Talk. That being said, thanks for watching this episode of Zachary High Tech Talk about vlogging. I try to make short videos, not too very long. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you enjoyed this video, please like, but also subscribe and put on the post notifications if you want to have updates on new content of my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye. Yes, that's right. I also created a vlog for on this YouTube channel, but of course with the purpose how to make a vlog on YouTube channel. So stay tuned if you want to watch that one. See you next time.